Happy POD, miss. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video.
Hey guys, I'm here with a product review. Today I will be reviewing the Canva thank you cards. I've just kind of been buying things from different websites that I often talk about that I probably never purchased before. There is a Canva t-shirt review video that I did a while back. Today I'm here with the Canva thank you cards, and it came in this beautiful folder. I love it. It's super cute, vibrant. I already tore it open, so it was easy for me to open it for the video. But I ordered the Canva thank you cards on 11/18. They arrived on 12/1, and the total cost was $5. I think I only got one, just to make sure y'all know. This is how it is. And here inside it says, "It always seems impossible until it's done." Super cute packaging. I have a thank you card. It says, "One print tree. Thanks for bringing your design to life." I'm assuming this is because they're sustainable. It comes with some stickers. It says Canva, free to be different, one print, one tree, choose kindness. Those are the stickers that came inside the pack. There's, oh, the white envelope, very high quality. And then inside has my thank you card. I only ordered one because I was doing this to review it. I didn't order more. There was no need. Don't know if I'm gonna give this to anyone or use it, but I wanted to see what the quality was. That's why I ordered it. It had a sticker on there, and I love it. It says "Smile for me," matches my nails, and on the back it says "Thank you." This is good quality. This is really good quality here. I can use this as an art print. I can add this to my board here. I can put it on my board or on my wall someplace. It says "Thank you." But this is really good quality. I like this. I need to get my recording situation together because I feel like it's so boring in this corner, but this would definitely add a little spark to my little recording corner. I love it. I'm in love with this. I'm definitely gonna display this somewhere. It looks just like the shirt, of course, that I recorded for you guys the video. I'm very pleased with the Canva thank you card, and it wasn't expensive, especially for this quality. I would pay $5 a piece for that quality, knowing that people could use it as a print and it'll stand up. And the fact that the card envelope is very good quality too. This ain't flimsy, it's not cheap. I'm definitely excited about this. There's my Canva thank you card. Colors are exact. Everything is amazing. Shout out to you, Canva, for creating products that mimic what we design on your platform. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my Canva thank you card.
Thanks so much for watching. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.